If you watch one ad, you will get paid $1.35. Watching 10 Google ads, you can get paid $13.50. Today, I will show you two brand new money-making apps that will pay you money for every single Google ad you watch. So, starting with the first website, as you can see, you browse, and we pay. You can now monetize your Google Chrome browser or any other browser you use and get paid for watching ads on Google browser. This app has got over 4.5 ratings on Trustpilot, which shows that it's a legit app to make money online. Now let me show you how this works. So first, you will sign up to this app and set up your Google browser with it. Secondly, whenever you will search on your Google browser, you will be shown ads like this or like this, which will earn you money for every Google ads you watch, which you can withdraw to your PayPal account or Bitcoin currencies or to different gift cards available here. So just click where it says sign up and create your account with email ID and password. Click on this terms and services box and hit sign up. Straighten this image shown on the screen right now and you will be logged in. Now the name of this app is adslice.com. But don't just stop the video because you know this app. Today, I will be showing the brand new feature available on this app that will allow you to maximize your earnings. Slice has the 4.4-star ratings on Trustpilot, and you can see that AdSlice is a verified company, which means we can trust this app and can earn money with it. So, this is the dashboard of AdSlice, where you can see we have got 10 slices for signing up to this app. Now, most important step, we need to set up our Slice account with our Google browser so that we can watch Google ads like this and can get paid for the same. For this, I want you to click on Connection from left-hand side, and here, I want you to click on Connect New Extension. We need to install the Slice extension, so just click on Add to Chrome button. And on this page, you can see they already have over 70,000 users and it has 4.5-star ratings from over 800 users around the world. So just simply click on Add to Chrome and the Slice extension will be added to your Google Chrome browser. Pin your extension to your tab and just click on it to open it up. Select the settings icon from this extension and just click on where it says Log in. And you can see we have successfully set up our Google browser with AdSlice account. Now, if we come to our new tab and search for anything, let us just search for Google Ads for example. Now, when you are browsing on this web page, you will see many different sponsored ads. Even if you open any website, you will be shown the ads and you will earn money for each and every ads displayed on your browser. Now the bonus trick to maximize your earnings is to click on your Slice extension and make sure you have selected the range of the ads to the more ads. That way, you will be able to see more and more ads and will earn more and more money. Next bonus tip is to turn on this Slice search experiment. This will replace some searches with the Bing ads. So now, whenever you will search something on your browser, the search results will also include Bing ads along with the Google ads and you will get paid for them each time they display on your screen. The third bonus tip is to install the Slice tab option from the notifications. It will take you to new page from where you need to select this Add to Chrome button and you need to add this Slice tab Chrome extension to your browser by clicking on this button right here. Once you install the Slice tab extension, now whenever you will open up new tab, your tab will look something like this. And you can see that there is an ad just like Google Ads, which is showing on the bottom right corner of this new tab. So now, you will even get paid to open new tabs on your browser. And the good thing is, you don't even need to click on these ads showing on your tab. Also, because we turned on this Slice search feature, now when you search something on your new tab, it will show you results. And in those results, you will be able to see some of the Bing ads too, which will even increase your earnings on adslice.com. AdSlice is available worldwide, so you can be from anywhere in the world and you can still make money by watching ads. But for our future videos, comment down below the name of your country. Now on your dashboard, you can see your earnings for a month and the slice you have got for watching those ads on your Google browser. Now the money you will earn for watching each ad will depend on your country. And the best thing about AdSlice is that you only need 35 cents to withdraw your earnings from this website. And earning 35 cents is very easy. You can earn that in just a single day. But again, the money you earn for watching every ad on your Google browser will depend on your country. And once you earn a good amount of money on AdSlice, you can click on Payout section to withdraw your earnings from there. You can select your country from here and then you can select the payment method you would like to withdraw your earnings to. You withdraw the earnings to your PayPal, but the only downside of choosing PayPal is they will charge you 4% fee. But you always have the option of Bitcoin and different virtual gift cards available here. So now, whenever you will open up new tab, search for something, and browse on your Google Chrome browser, you will be able to see the ads and you will earn money for watching those ads for completely free, which is really awesome way to make money online. Now let's explore about the brand new feature of rewards introduced on AdSlice recently. As you can see, you can choose from different surveys available here to earn the fast slice on adslice.com. You can see how much slice you will earn, the time it will take you to complete a particular survey, and the ratings of this survey. What's even better, you can actually choose the type of surveys you want. Just click on this filter icon over here, and you can choose from the 3 filters of shortest surveys, best matching surveys, and the best paying surveys. You can choose the one that is best for you, and the slice will show you the surveys accordingly. So, if you want to reach the minimum withdrawal limit very fast, you can complete these surveys along with watching the Google browser ads. And because you stayed till here, I want to share with you my secret trick to make fast money with AdSlice. So just click on Crew option on the left-hand side. As you can see, if you invite your friend, you will receive 1,000 slices when they have been active for 30 days. And upon completion, your friend will receive 100 slices for free. So this is a win-win situation. All you need to do is copy your invite link from this button right here and share it with your friends. Or, if you want, you can also use Facebook groups for this. Just create a Facebook group post, which looks something like what you are seeing on the screen. You can copy my post if you want to, but I would suggest you to create your own post. This will help you to gain more trust and will help you get thousands of sign-ups with your invite link. Even if you get only 10 people to sign up and they complete the 30 days period of being active on AdSlice, you will get 10,000 slice for that, which will help you to earn a lot more money than if you just watch the ads on Google Chrome browser. And if you want me to show my withdrawal proof from AdSlice, then help me get over 2,000 likes on this video. Now the second website on our list is Timebucks.com. Click on sign up, register yourself, and log into your account. Timebucks is one of the most reputed websites to earn money completing micro tasks. It's available worldwide and you can use Timebucks from anywhere in the world. As you can see, people from different countries around the world are making some extra money on Timebucks.com. Timebucks has 4.5-star ratings on Trustpilot and it is also one of the verified company. You can see, over 2,000 people has given their reviews on Timebucks and most of them are positive. Now, once you log into your account, this will be your dashboard. And to earn money watching ads, you need to click on the Earn section over here. And here, out of these 5 options, you need to click where it says Content. Then make sure Ad Clicks is selected here, and you will be able to earn money by watching ads. All you have to do is click on this View button, and a new tab will open. You need to stay on the new tab for just 5 seconds only. After that, you can close the tab, and you will be credited with the earnings mentioned over here, and a new task will appear here. So, let's click on this View button, and a new tab will open here. Now, you just need to be here for 5 seconds only, and then, you can close this tab, and you can see, I have been credited with the money. Now the money you will earn for each ad you watch will depend on your country. If you are from United States or Australia, you can get even higher earnings per ad you watch. If you are from other countries, you will earn relatively less money. But, if you combine both the websites shown in this video, you can earn on average of $1.35 per ad watched. And, you can easily earn over $100 using these 2 websites shown in this video. Thanks for watching.